Ooh, one of my favorite segments, one of my favorite segments. Now, as you guys know, we did a review over the New Balance 9060 literally like a couple weeks ago. And to follow on that, I had to give y'all one of my favorites, another lace tutorial. If you like your shoes to look like this, as you see, the Loosey Goosey, then you're in luck, because today we're gonna be showing you the 3 ways on how you lace up these bad boys right here. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Neff. Right. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I bring you guys one of my favorite segments I like to make on the channel when it comes to doing sneakers, and that is the 3 ways on how I lace up my sneakers. Now, the recent pickup that I went ahead and got for this year was the 2024 New Balance 9060, and I'm actually going to be showing you the 3 ways on how I lace these guys up right here. New Balance 9060 in the triple black, or the black hat colorway, and these are clean. I'm gonna be showing you actually the bunny lace, I'm gonna do the loosey goosey, and I'm gonna be doing the knot lace as well. And you guys show a lot of feedback on all the tutorials that I bring you guys, so I mean, even though they're the same lace style, I still like to do it because every shoe is a little bit different, and I like to kind of take my time with it, and it's a way for you guys to go ahead and, you know, get more well versed with it. But before we go ahead and actually go straight away into the lace tutorial, I do want to give you guys a shout outs. I want to give you guys a kudos because I greatly appreciate y'all every time I upload a video. So let's go. All right, guys, so first and foremost, before we actually go ahead and go straight away into this lace tutorial, I want you to know, thank you so much for the support, the love, all of it that you show me. All of it is greatly appreciated. You guys motivate me and keep me driven a lot more than you know, and it really does mean a lot to me. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, comment down below and let me know how you're feeling today for 2026. Let me know what you made your recent pickup, because we talk shoes here, so I want to know your most recent pickup. That way I can go ahead and feature you like you see all these wonderful people right here. So with that out of the way, without further ado, let's get into this lace tutorial. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm about to go behind the camera right now. I'm gonna show you 3 different ways, and then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and obviously show you, take my time with it. Remember, any type of lace tutorials that I bring you guys, please take your time, don't get frustrated, rewind it if you need to be, just follow along, sit back, relax, made to have fun, enjoy your time. That way you can get these laces looking right, and you can rock them the way that you like. So without further ado, let's begin. All right, guys, here you go. So starting off with the very first lace style, this is the bunny lace, which in my opinion is the easiest to do. So let's go ahead and follow along. Remember, take your time and let's go together. So I already went ahead and unlaced all of the laces right here. So just leaving the first one in. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take the right one and you're just gonna feed it under to the eyelet right here. Let's go ahead and feed it. Boom, there you go, like that. And for this one, you don't have to make it extremely tight. I suggest not to make it too tight because, you know, you don't want your laces to look nice and overly choked up. You want them nice and smooth. Eventually, I'm gonna have to get myself a little better table here. I'm using my sitting chair, but keep on feeding it through. Go under, feed it. Make sure your slack and your laces are nice and neat here. Keep going with it. I'm so happy I got these. Finally. Like literally, the 9060 is a very beautiful silhouette. I just, this colorway in particular, man, I just could not get for the life of me. I don't know why. All right. So you're gonna go ahead and keep feeding it up. Keep feeding it up, keep feeding it up. Now, keep feeding it up. Now, when you get to the 2 last eyelets right here, I'm gonna put it through the, I moved my camera, whoopsie. I'm gonna put it through the next eyelet, the second one, but not the last one. And I'll show you why. So put it through here. Perfect. So now that you're doing that, you'll see that you have that eyelet, or that eye hole, no, eyelet, still right there. And then you're gonna go ahead and just give these things a nice tie. So you're gonna take it, you're gonna tie it like so. You're gonna go ahead and take it, make your little bunny lace, and boom. There you go right there. Do a little bit of adjusting, nothing crazy. And when you're done, it should look like that. I'm not gonna lie, the bunny lace looks pretty nice on this one, to be real. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on feet right now, and let's take a look at it. Here we go. All right guys, here we go. We got the New Balance 9060 rocking the bunny lace, and actually, they look pretty good on this. They look pretty good on this silhouette, gotta admit. Like I said, just take your time with it. Don't keep your laces too loose, but you don't want them too tight. Just find that medium, and then go up the eyelets, Don't go to the last eyelet, and then tie it up, and you'll get this look right here. This one looks pretty clean, I can't even lie. Moving on to the next lace style, here we go. All right guys, here we go with the second lace style. This is the Loosey Goosey. And remember how I told you the first one was actually the easiest? I take that back. This is actually the easiest, so follow along. So again, I went ahead and unlaced everything except for the last two. We're gonna go ahead and take the lace right here, and we're gonna take it, and you're gonna take it right here, and you're gonna put it under. So follow along like this. So you take it, slide it in there like so. And with this one, it's all in the name, Loosey Goosey. You want to keep this one loose, like not overly loose to the point where it's like, you know, your laces are flaring out, but loose enough to the point where it's just kind of like you have some slack. So like that. Take it again. Next eyelet. Put it in like that. Next one. There you go. And we're gonna keep on feeding these till we get to either, I haven't decided yet. I think I'm gonna do probably most likely the second to last eyelet, or I might just do the whole one, we'll see. But okay, keep on feeding it up. Keep on feeding up. All right. We're gonna go ahead and put this one. Yeah, I think we're actually gonna put it to the very last eyelet. Yeah, just like the way it's looking. Ooh, my arm's falling asleep. Hey, shout out to you guys for 9,100 subscribers, guys. Like, you guys are insane. You guys are insane. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put one more. Put it through on there. Yo, the material on these feels so good. Like, this shoe is these 9060s, can't lie. These are clean. Oh, hold on, wait a second. The Loosey Goosey might be my favorite. Here we go right here. So once you do it, it should just be able to hang like this. Wait, dude, the one looks good. This one looks pretty good, cannot lie. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get these ones on feet right now. These are cool, let's go. All right, guys, here we go. We got the 9060 Black Cat in the Loosey Goosey lace style, and I can't even lie, these are sick. These are cool. I actually like the way these one look more than the bunny lace. Like, these actually, the way the length of it, they came out perfect. They came out perfect, can't even lie. But go ahead, follow along. Like I said, just run it through. Don't keep them tight, keep them nice and loose, and you'll get it how they look right here. These are clean. All right, guys, moving on to the third and final lace style, the knot lace, and here we go. All right, guys, here we go. The final lace style. This is the knot lace. Still not hard to do, just follow along, and here we go. So we're gonna go ahead, and the last two, the bunny and the Loosey, we've actually been doing the under, but this time we're actually gonna change it up and we're going to do over. So hear me out. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna take this one, and rather than putting it through this eyelet right here, we're gonna go ahead and put it through, rather than going under, excuse me, we're gonna go over. So put it over like this, and you're gonna just straighten your laces out so they look like that. So they look like that. See it? So we're gonna go ahead and put it like this, get those out the way, then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Like that, get it out the way, and then we're gonna keep on going all the way up. And this part right here, I know a lot of people, I think someone in one of the videos I did with another shoe that kind of had similar model like this, they're like, why don't you utilize or use this part right here? Personally, I just don't, I don't know, something about it I just don't like to use. I just like to kind of customize it my own way a little bit, I guess you could say. And then we're gonna keep on going up, keep feeding it through like so, keep feeding it through, keep feeding it through, and boom. So now once we get about right here, as you can see, we clearly have a lot of slack. So I'm not done just yet. We're gonna put it through this second eyelet right here. Let's go ahead and put it through there, and let's go ahead and adjust it right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put it right there, and this is the part where it gets not so much tricky, but just follow along. So once you get right here, you get a good amount of length right here. As you can see, I like to take 2 fingers and take it, I like to make a little circle, and then I like to go ahead and push this into that little circle groove right there, and it goes like so. And then from there, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna retry it again one more time, because I actually don't like how it looks. Excuse me, I don't like how it looks. I'm actually gonna take the laces, there we go, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these. So what I went ahead and did, rather than having it on my second, I went ahead and took it and I just put it on the, I didn't put it through the eyelet. I take it like this again, take these 2 fingers, tie it up, I'm going nice and slow as you can see. With this, create a hole, take this, and then bring it in like that. Then you'll make a knot, like you see. Adjust it just a bit, don't be afraid to, adjust it, and boom. And when you're done, it should look like that. Originally, like I said, I had it in the second eyelet, it just was too short, so I didn't do it, but that's how it will look. We'll do it one more time so you can get it. So pinch the 2 together, pinch. With your left hand, create 2 fingers out, wrap it around. Right here, you're gonna go ahead and create an opening like that. See the opening right there? And you're gonna slide, put those through the opening, bring it in. Then you're gonna go ahead and adjust it like so. Let me see. And boom, there you go, right there. That's how it look. And the cool thing about this lace style is that once you go ahead and you actually get it done nice and neat, you do not have to worry about this sucker going anywhere. That's the real cool thing. And then if it's too long for your liking too, you can always just go back and readjust it so it's a little bit smaller, but that's what you will do. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on feet right now, and let's go. All right guys, here we go. The final lace style, the knot lace 9060 in the black hat colorway. Now here we go right here. These look really, really good. Not my favorite out of the 3 that we did. Loosey Goosey definitely is the best, but again, if you do these right, you'll get them exactly how they are. Again, if you're not liking how that knot is like on mine. I know I have mine just a little bit bigger. If you don't want like that, just adjust it smaller. That way it can look nice. Hey, after having experience now with these 90-60s and actually having them for some time now, these are comfortable, and these actually are probably one of my favorite silhouettes to do lace styles on. I definitely will be doing more soon, but do let me know how you guys feel about that. We're gonna go ahead and cut away to the end of the video, and here we go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, and boom, that was the 3 ways on how I lace up my New Balance 90-60 in the black cat colorway. Let me know which one was your favorite. Honestly, for me, normally it's usually the bunny or the knot lace, but this time around I had to go with the loosey goosey. It's something about the way the loosey goosey hangs on these 90-60s for me that just gravitates my attention. But do let me know. Now, I know there's many different ways to lace different shoes up, and I get it. I just want to give you just the easy way that I felt is simple, and you know, everyone can kind of do and follow along. So do let me know which one was your lace tutorial or favorite lace style, and let me know if even if you have something different I should try incorporating to the channel. I'm always thinking of trying to incorporate new things to the channel as well. But do let me know what you guys think about it. It's been your boy, it's been your kid Nefrite. Remember, it's only gonna be one you. Be the best you, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.